outstanding tasks to do. There were still several outstanding tasks left to do. At the time of the last live, I was still in the middle of implementing the identity. And what that is it allows you to log into the app using your preferred wallet. So the last time I did a live, a status update, at that point in time, you could only log in with your internet identity and you could only log in with your Stoic identity. Seeing as how the ecosystem has more identity solutions than just the internet identity and the Stoic identity, I felt it was necessary to make it where people can log in with their favorite wallet of choice. So now you can actually log in with NFID with AstroX and me. You can log in with Stoic. You can log in with Plug. You can log in with your internet identity. You can log in with your Infinity Swap or Bitfinity wallet. So all of those identity clients are now available since the last status update. Also, behind the scenes, I did a lot of code cleanup, which was absolutely necessary because the next thing that I have to do before the app is ready for release, before the minimum viable product is ready and it can be launched on Entrepot and people can begin purchasing and using the app, the last thing that I have to do, I have to create the manager canister and I have to create the upgrader canisters. So just to give you a recap, everyone's app everyone's app has its own manager canister, which is responsible for version control. So anytime there's an update and the update made available, what's going to happen is your manager canister is going to update your app. Everyone has their own app and their own manager canister, their own backend canister, their own front end canister. So your manager canister is going to upgrade your app. I still have to build that canister. And last after that, what I have to do is build the actual canister that's going to hold the upgrades. So when upgrades are made available, I'll need somewhere to store those upgrades, somewhere to toss those upgrades to. That's going to be the canister that's the last thing that has to be built. After that, it's pretty much ready for launch after that. So I'll have to, after I make those last two canisters, it'll be time to launch it on Entrepot, and you'll be able to start purchasing it. Immediately after the launch, I'm going to start working on the treasury functionality for the app so that users can actually start to build and grow a treasury, and actually start making use of that feature. And then beyond that, for a while, is going to be no new features released after the treasury feature. No new features are going to be released after that for a while, because what I'm going to do then is focus on improving the user experience. So optimizing the app, optimizing the speed of the app, making it look really good, making it look like something that people want to return to. And so yeah, I'll be doing that for maybe maybe 3 to 5 months after the treasury feature. So in the sequence of events that's about to take place, first the manager canister is built, then the upgraded canister is built, and then the app is made available for purchase on Entrepot NFT Marketplace. Then immediately after that, the next feature that'll be released is the treasury feature. And then immediately after that, a round of optimization and just making the app look good. So focusing on the user experience and everything. And then after that, we could talk about that later. But those are the things going on. I don't see any questions in the chat. Let me see. Let me make sure. Yeah, I don't have any questions, and so I'm gonna wrap it up right there. Like I said, please feel free to reach out to me. You can find me on Twitter. I'll leave my Twitter handle in the description, but just for posterity's sake, the Twitter handle is Time Capsule